Bill making its way through the Texas legislature is sparking conversation across the state, especially among educators.
That's right, and our Madeline Salinas spoke with one local teachers union leader about what this $8.5 billion funding package could mean for the future of public education. Madeline, good morning.
Hey, good morning, South Texas. Well, House Bill 2's $8.5 billion budget covers a lot, including $430 million toward school safety and $850 million toward funding special education. This funding is what Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick is calling, quote, the most effective school finance bill in Texas history.
We were just on pins and needles, and then this happened, and now we're quite relieved and somewhat happy. It could have been better. We can always say that it could have been better. However, we're pleased that they made these changes, which include, of course, teacher raises.
The $8.5 billion school funding bill, which is expected to pass through the House, includes over $4 billion towards teacher pay raises. Depending on their years of experience, teachers could see anywhere between a $4,000 to $8,000 increase towards their salary. The bill also includes $500 million granted to districts to raise the salary of school support staff, a group of people that Dr. Nancy Vera says are crucial to a child's education and to those still experiencing the ramifications of the pandemic.
And now we're going to be able to address them with more counselors, and I'm hoping social workers, and of course we need our librarians and our support personnel to be able to sustain and maintain a quality public education.
Vera adds that this is the first time that Texas has allocated money for certain things that have not been allocated before, such as health insurance premiums and maintenance. The $1.3 billion allotment for those costs is something that she says her organization is extremely pleased with.
Teachers are working very diligently and harder than ever before. But now we have hope that folks will be more intrigued by education, do what's right, and work with children who need them desperately, who need help from qualified teachers.
Though grateful for this historical time for Texas education, Vera believes that hope comes with a reminder that passion alone isn't enough to make ends meet. And there can always be room for improvement when it comes to paying those in public education.
We still haven't kept up with inflation, with the cost of living the way it is now. So as much as we love it, we still believe that more can be done.
And for a full breakdown on that multi-billion-dollar funding package, you can view this story on our website at KIIITV.com. John Thomas, Barbie.